Jeffree Star launch day for the Valentine's Day stuff. I'm so excited. However, I'm scared because usually those sites get so busy and you can't always get stuff. Conspiracy. I was so glad I got a palette because I was literally having a heart attack. And we've got 5 minutes till launch. I don't know. How are you guys feeling about it? I'm scared. Okay, guys. So crazy. It is 1:04 and my first order actually went through. So I did get a mirror, the pink one, and the all pink one. And I also got the deluxe. Now I'm going back in to try to get the Supreme. And the reason I did it this way is because in the past I noticed that it takes so much longer for the items everybody goes through first to go through this process. So before I lose out on everything, I might as well grab something that I know that I'm more likely to get, like one of the 2 smaller boxes, and then go back in and try to get the bigger one. So many times I've been so disappointed because I have not been able to get the Supreme box. And we're just going to see how long this is going to take me. I've already been doing this for 2 minutes. I don't know, guys. I'll keep you updated.
Hey everybody, so I got the notification that my Jeffree Star premium box was here. So I opened it, took everything out of the bags. And I wanted to show you, this was the $60 box. And looks like we got a pink pop socket. Plus a hat or a beanie, as some would say, or a toboggan, whichever. Oh, it's super freaking cute, though. Oh, it's keeping my head warm, and it's so freaking cold today. Then this was nice and packaged up. The Alien palette. Woo! All right, that's a $50 palette, and this is a $60 box. Like, hi, hello, how are you? Yeah, totally take that. I know it's being discontinued. It's got a mirror. These are the colors. I have it already. There, you can do neutral looks with this, or you can go crazy. Absolutely. And it's a good box. I thought there was more than 1, 2, 3, 4 items in here, but I'm not complaining. $60 for all that. All right, his gloss. Ooh. Do you see that? His regular gloss is this. Hang on before I break everything. Is this one here, and then here's the one that just came in there. And is there like, okay, yeah, Succulent is the name. So that's cool. These are like $18, I think. The glosses. The palette is like $52. The pop sockets, I don't know how much the pop sockets would be. And then you got the hat, which is a really good quality hat. And it's cute. And I'm already in my Jeffree Star gear today. Went to dinner, realized I had packages. Hightailed my ass home. Yes, would anybody else do that? Let me know. Totally be like, me too, Karen, so I don't feel so alone. Anyway, that is what was in my premium box. It was $60. I am super happy with it. Thank you, Jeffree. I really, really, really appreciate this. However, launch day was crazy, and I did put some clips in here. If you guys went through all that, let me know. I do have a giveaway going on. It's in the deluxe box video, and I did get an additional deluxe box, but you've already seen it open in this one. A friend of mine is buying from me because she didn't get anything, and you guys know how I am with you. I love you all so very much. So thank you for joining me for this video. If you did not see my deluxe box giveaway video, definitely head on over there, watch that, and enter that giveaway, and then look for my Ipsy Plus because that just came too. I love you guys so very much. Mwah. See y'all in the next video. Bye.